It's Evelyn Drake and Dave Paul from the Camera Store, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video.
This is our first unboxing video ever.
Yeah, we often get samples that are not in normal retail packaging, and this retail packaging is very special. This is the Kodak Charmera, a little micro camera that has gone viral and is really hard to get right now, but we're hoping some people out there are going to see this under the Christmas tree or maybe in their stocking from Santa.
I mean, part of the allure of this whole camera is that you don't know what kind of camera you're getting inside of here. We know some of the tech specs, which aren't kind of underwhelming, but you have a 1 in 6 chance of getting one of these 6 different cameras. However, there is a 1 in 48 chance of a secret camera.
A mystery camera. Right, so. And I love the idea of a blind box. It's always very fun. It kind of brings back that nostalgia of buying those, like, you know, gas station surprise bags. Like in my day, they were like $1 and you get like all these little candies and toys and you didn't know what you were gonna get. Back in your day, they were probably, I don't know, 5 cents or something.
Well, funny enough, the box itself is 1987. That's the year I graduated.
Yeah, and I was almost born in 1987. But it was a good year. There was a little camera that Kodak came out with called the FLING, which is what this is designed after. So it's designed to be kind of this like nostalgic throwback to that little film camera. Now this is a digital micro camera. It has a 1.6 megapixel sensor. It takes a micro SD memory card, and yes, it goes on a keychain, so you can bring it around with you everywhere. So why don't we open these up, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what the cameras feature in terms of their specs and if it's actually fun to use.
Ladies first.
All right, we got the tools for the job.
Which one do you want first before we get into which one? Which
I don't
one
know.
Do you want?
I mean, obviously the Secret has the most appeal to me, but if I was to choose one of the designs on the side of here, I actually like the Type 03. I think it looks very cool. The yellow would be nice too. What about you, Dave?
I'm going with the Type 04 just because it's more abstract.
That one's kind of funky. Looks very 1987. I can see why you'd like that. Okay, you're gonna pop yours open too?
Okay, yeah.
You gotta do so at the same time.
Dun, 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 dun. Ready? Oh. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I got the yellow.
Oh, I got the red.
Okay. That's so fun. Oh, look at all this. So much thought has been put into this packaging. Very simple. This definitely looks like a 1987 Kodak ad.
Yeah, you
get a little card, kind of like a little hockey card.
Well, it's a quick start guide on the back. And
on the back, a quick start guide. Yeah, QR code. Very high tech.
Well, they actually give you a keychain chain. Ooh. We
got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable.
This is what Shaq looks like when he's holding onto a regular can of Coke.
It's so bitty. It weighs 30 grams, has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, and on the bottom of it you see you have the USB-C port as well as the micro SD memory card port. Really easy to get to. Obviously no weather sealing or anything like that.
There's actually a viewfinder.
There is kind of, yeah, just like a little see-through viewfinder, a little fakey. Let's see if they're charged up out of the box.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah. Oh, mine's there.
Makes a little sound.
Look at that. This is like high-resolution graphics here.
Yeah, and on the back, you can see here we have a photo mode and a video mode. So that's super fun. And, and you can select between them. This is so cute. I can't get over it. Okay. And yeah, we can put in our date stamp.
Too late. I'm already taking pictures.
Okay. You never set your you never set your calendar properly on the camera. It's like, Dave took photos tomorrow.
No, I'm usually pretty good at that.
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Oh, it actually makes a noise. There we go.
Okay, so select that. Okay. Yeah, so with the camera, you have a little bit of creative control. There's 7 photo filters from black and white, cool tone, warm tone. There is a pixel filter yellow, red, blue, and gray.
And gray.
Yes, and then there's also some photo frames you can put on it. I like the Kodak one that actually gives you the date stamp, but there's some other kind of cutesy frames that you can put around your photographs. Super fun. And as I mentioned before, you can also go into video mode, which gives you a 30 frame per second video file with sound. You can obviously only use the built-in microphone that is on the Kodak Charmera, this keychain digital camera.
So we've got to
Very
find a
cute.
micro SD card because I took 2 photos and the memory's full. So
Oh, for the built-in memory. Yeah, it doesn't have very much. Yeah, it gives
unless
you
I'm shooting full res.
it gives you a tiny bit of juice out of the box when you first open it, but otherwise, yes, you are going to need to get yourself a micro SD card. They're really easy to find. They're very affordable, and yeah, I mean, my first impressions of this camera is it is adorable. Can take some very fun photos. You know, we just love the idea of making photography accessible to people and giving something interesting so people can have fun with their photography.
I think that's exactly right. I mean, this is not trying to take itself seriously in any way, shape, or form. And obviously, with the demand of this camera, right? We've got so many orders for this camera.
Yeah.
And it's like the smallest, lightest, least expensive camera I think we've ever sold.
Yeah, and I like how simple it is. This is like the easiest review ever. But I think the key thing here is that if you want to get one of these, it's collectible. It's a lot of fun, very reasonable. We're looking at $50 Canadian. I think it's 30 in the US and in the UK, 30 pounds. So this is a very fun little camera, the Kodak Charmera. So if you want to get more information on this, or if you want to get your name on the very long waiting list, head over to thecamerastore.com. And yeah, we want to know what you guys think about this product from Kodak, the Kodak Keychain digital camera.
Yeah, and if you're lucky enough to get the secret one, post a picture. I'd love to see what the secret ones look like.
Yeah, we're very curious. But let us know in the comments below what you think. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's been Dave and Evelyn from the Camera Store. We'll catch you again very soon.